Kim Police, a Silicon Valley entrepreneur, once said, "The short-term thinking disease is everywhere you look, especially in field service, where processes have been rooted in traditional practices. This can hinder growth." Finally, what is relevant today can become obsolete soon, stressing the need for businesses to make use of ongoing innovations. This leads us to the trends that are shaping the field service industry and heightening its standards. Predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance is revolutionizing the way we approach repairs, with a projected market growth that's impossible to ignore. By predicting equipment failures, we can proactively address issues before they escalate. Digital twin technology. Digital twin technology is not just a buzzword anymore. It has been steadily emerging as a game changer, as the experiences of businesses from North America demonstrate. Using them, you can simulate real-world environments and test and optimize performance like never before. AR and VR for remote assistance. Next comes AR and VR, with which remote assistance takes a leap forward. Service technicians can now receive expert guidance and visualize issues beforehand, ensuring they're prepared for any challenge. Dynamic scheduling and dispatch. Dynamic scheduling and dispatch are the connective tissues of field service. Using real-time insights, you can optimize these processes and significantly boost productivity and customer satisfaction. Route optimization. What about route optimization? It isn't just about finding the quickest path, it's about intelligent planning that saves time and fuel, which is also contributing to a greener planet and a healthier bottom line. Customer self-service portals. Then we have self-service portals that are empowering customers to take control, schedule services at their convenience, and provide valuable feedback, which fosters a community around your service. Workforce as a service. The gig economy is transforming field service management. With workforce as a service, businesses can scale flexibly, deploying skilled technicians exactly when and where they're needed. Technician enablement tools. You must adopt technician enablement tools for understanding and supporting the human element. These tools help technicians perform at their best, improving every metric surrounding customer service. Performance management tools. Performance management has become more important than ever. Adopt tools that provide a clear view of your operations so that you can set, monitor, and measure success. They can help you lead pragmatically. Knowledge management. You must preserve the knowledge by building a repository that supports its easy transfer, so the valuable expertise is retained and shared, empowering your workforce and preventing knowledge loss. Conclusion. The trends we've discussed today are not just shaping the future, they're defining it. To stay ahead, it's crucial to be proactive and embrace these changes. If you want to align your field service business or function with modern standards, you must catch up with these trends. Seek our expertise to implement them all and derive tangible results.